Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. This episode is for the how to detail for beginners. It's gonna be episode number 5. Now we need to take care of the windows. For the windows, sometimes it can be annoying to clean them, and if you have kids, imagine. I have the Waffle web. This is especially for windows, for glass, and I have the glass cleaner from the Signature series from Chemical Guys. First, I'm gonna take care of the windows, the windshield, all the glass from the inside, and then we'll move to the outside. The difficult part about this job is that probably you're not gonna be able to see all the marks, but this glass is brand new. I never touched the glass on this RAV4, but it has a lot of marks. It has some fingerprints from my daughter around this area, and it has the stickers. They put all the stickers on the glass. When they remove it, they never clean the windows at the dealership. But it's gonna be difficult to show you the marks, but I'm gonna clean it and show you the end result. See if we can catch some stuff. If you can see right here, it's kinda dirty right in there. So the glass is pretty dirty. Probably you can catch all that right there. Here on the outside, I don't know if you can see, but it's kinda dirty. All the glass needs to be taken care of. You can see over there, probably you can see the markings right here. You can see those markings right there. And that's all the stuff that they put on the glass, like the sticker. So this is the towel that I'm gonna use for this job, and just for this job. I'm not gonna use it for anything else. Make sure that you remove the tags from your towels so you don't scratch your pane of glass. I'm gonna fold it on 6. So with one side, I'm gonna clean the windows, then flip it around and get the windows dry. And this is gonna be really easy. I don't need to spray the whole thing. I don't wanna mess the door panels. I just need to heat the towel a little bit and start cleaning. And for this type of jobs, recommendation is to get some of these Waffle towels. They work really good, and they're designed for this. Okay, once I have it clean, I grab the other side and get it dry. Make sure that you don't leave any marks on the glass. Sometimes you have good intentions but not the right products. But if you have the right products, it makes the job so easy. Same process for the rest of the windows. Okay guys, now we're moving to the windshield from the inside. For the windshield, because this is the one that I really need to have clean, because sometimes I drive in the mornings, sunrise and sundown, and if the sun hits you directly onto the face, if you don't have your windshield clean, that's when it gets crazy. I know it's really hard to show on camera when you have a dirty glass and then keep it clean. It's really hard to really see it, but I can tell you with these 2 products, it makes the job so much easier. Perfect. No streak marks. Looks really clean. This type of towels, oh, it makes the job super easy. This is my last glass from the inside. Okay, now if you're doing the outside, the truck is not clean. It's dirty. What I'm gonna do for this step, I'm gonna use the same size where I've been spraying my product into the towel. I'm gonna put a lot more because the outside is dirty. I'm some into the towel and some into the glass. Okay, so to avoid scratches, same like paint. Look at that. You see that? Just swipe the towel around while you lift it up, so all the dirt and grime stays right here and you don't scratch the glass. Same thing with the paint. Same process for this glass. It's really windy outside, but let me show you the glass. I do recommend these products. I'm gonna put the link in the description because this is what I use for my glass. Well guys, I don't think you can see much because there is nothing to see. The glass is clean and that's what we're looking for. The link for the website, the link for the products, the link for my merch. So you wanna get some Bullet Solano shirts, and all the links for everything that I use on these episodes, they're gonna be down in the description. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.